10 gigs, all for $160 a month.
You know, I think our family really needed this. It's really gonna bring us closer together.
Yep. Yep.
Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Yep.
Introducing our best ever family pricing. For instance, a family of 4 gets 10 gigs of data with unlimited talk and text for $160 a month. Only from AT&T.
Hit it, boys.
On March 21st, the Muppets are back in theaters.
I've been replaced by an evil mastermind?
And they're bigger.
2 Kermits?
And badder than ever.
Oh, brother!
What a woman!
Disney's Muppets Most Wanted, March 21st, rated PG.
Poor obsessed? Now L'Oreal creates a breakthrough.
The Silver Bow County Police Department has received multiple 911 calls reporting valuable items going missing in the county of Silver Bow and surrounding areas. This occurrence is believed to be linked to a group of individuals attempting to break into homes and businesses in the area. It is advised that you lock all of your doors and windows. All residents should keep an eye out for suspicious activity near your area. If you see any suspicious activity in your area, dial 911.
Boss lady, this man need a bed, and all he can afford is $69 a month. How you gonna get another one without a bed? Come on, baby. This man need a TV for his bedroom. All he can afford is $59 a month. You know he got all them children. 73 inches, baby. Boss lady, this man needs air conditioning.